the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. 'Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop killing them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not him now. Subliminal thoughts, when I'ma stop sending them women. I'm caught in web, spinning in hawk venom, adrenaline shots. The penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling them.
Till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bones. Till the roof comes on, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bones.
Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you keep when you read, when you speak. People are feeling this shit. This is your moment. Every single minute you speak, trying to hold on to it, 'cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as much shit as you can. And when your run is over, just admit when it's in its end. 'Cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I got a list. Here's the order of my list that it's in. It goes Reggie, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie. Andre from Outkast, Jada, Corrupt, Nas, and Thimmy. But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm not put on this list, the shit that's not offended. That's why you see me walk around like nothing's bothering me. Even though happy people got a fucking problem with me. You hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. The press is wet dream like Bob and your Whitney. They kick me
Till the roof comes on, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bones. Till the roof comes on, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bones.
As soon as a verse starts, I eat it at MC's heart. What is he thinking? I'm not to go against me, smart, and it's absurd how people hang on every word. I'll probably never get the props I feel I ever deserve, but I'll never be served. My spot is forever reserved. Every verse, my thoughts are sporadic. I act like I'm an addict. I brag like I'm addicted to smack, like I'm Kim Mathers. But I don't wanna go forth and back in constant battles. The fact is I would rather sit back and bomb some rappers. So this is like a full-on attack. I'm launching at 'em and track is on some battle and rap. So once I'm static, 'cause I don't really think that the fact that I'm so bad as a plaque and platinum status is whack if I'm not the baddest.
Till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. Am I high? I'ma rip this shit till my bones. Till the roof, till the lights go out.